Good morning, students. How are you? Shall we start today's class?
Let's revise our previous topic, that is use of I am or we are. As in previous class, we have studied that I am means one person, मैं. For singular, any one person, we are using I am. And if we are talking about the many person, then we are using this WEVARER. Okay, so I am for one and we are for many person. So let's come to our exercise which will explain it very clearly. Use of I am, we are. In the first line we have dash Rahul, R-A-H-U-L, Rahul. Rahul is one person, so we are using I am Rahul. I am Rahul. Next, dash F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Here you see friends, S लगा हुआ है. It means it is plural, many. So we are using here we are. What is the spelling of we are? W-E-A-R-E, we are, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Now next, dash Tailor, tailor. Do you know what is tailor? Who stitches our clothes? Yes. Dash a tailor means one tailor. So we are using here I am a tailor. Next, dash Playing, playing, cricket, cricket, today, today. Dash playing cricket today. आज क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. Who is playing? One person or many? No indication. So in this type of sentences we can use I am or we are. Any one of them. Okay. If we are using I am playing cricket today, right. If we are using we are playing cricket today, also right. Now we start our today's topic, that is use of his or her. Okay. Shall we start? Come on. Do you know what is he? First we will define the meaning of he. Here you see the picture of a boy who is carrying a book in his hand and bag on his back and going to where? Going to school. So for the boy, for any male person, boy, father, grandfather, any male person, we use he for any male person. But when we are describing about the things of the male person, have you seen in this line? B-E-F-O-R-E before, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, O-F of, H-E, he, before things of, anything of male person, of he, we use H-I-S, his. I repeat, we use H-I-S, his. So here is a boy, refers the male person, and when we are talking about him, we use he, and when we are talking about his things, we use his. So let's start. H-E-I-S is a B-O-Y, boy. He is a boy. Here is another sentence, dash B-O-O-K, book. Book is thing. IS is RED, red. Dash book is red. Have you seen in the picture he is carrying a book? So, book is of male person. So, book is thing of male person. So, we use HIS. His book is red. Next is dash HAIRS, hairs, ARER, brown. Dash hairs are brown. Here we are talking about the hairs. Whose hairs? Boy's hairs. Male person's thing. So we use HIS, his. His hairs are brown. Okay. Now come to the next. Now we understand the she. Do you know the she? Yes, we have taught about it in our previous class. He for male person, she for female person. Okay? Yes. So when we are refer the female person, we use she. And when we are talking about the things of female person, we use her. For female person, she. For things of female person, her. Here is a line. SHE, she. IS is a GIRL, girl. She is a girl. Next line is dash SHIRT, shirt. IS is YELLOW, yellow. Dash shirt is yellow. Here the shirt is of girl, of female person. Shirt is thing and of female person. So we use HER, her. Yes, you're right. HER, her. Shirt is yellow. Come to the next line. Dash SHOES, shoes. ARER, BLUE, blue. AND, ant. PURPLE, purple. Dash shoes are blue and purple. So, here we are talking about the shoes, and the shoes of male person or the female person. Shoes are of the female person. So, we use her. HER, her. SHOES, shoes are blue and purple. Now, let's start some more examples. Here it is. We have some short note over here that for he means male person, we use his. For she, female person, we use her. So first we take sentence. He is a boy. Here boy. He means male person. Dash BICYCLE, bicycle. IS is NEW, new. Dash bicycle is new. Whose bicycle? Male or female? Here he tells us that the male's bicycle. So we use his. HIS, his bicycle is new. Next is she is MY, my. AUNT, aunt. She is my aunt. Do you know the meaning of aunt? Yes, she is my aunt, auntie. Dash HOUSE, house. IS is BIG, big. Dash house is big. Here whose house is big? Aunt's house is big. And aunt is female, she. So for she we use her. Her house is big. Next is my. SISTER, sister. IS is PLAYING, playing. My sister is playing WITH with dash TOYS, toys. Here My sister is playing with dash toy. Who is playing? My sister. So my sister is female. And whose toys? Female thing. So we use her. H-E-R, her. Next is M-Y, my. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. I-S is. G-O-I-N-G, going. T-O-2, dash. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. My father is going to dash office. My father, male person. Office, thing. Whose office? Father's office. Means male person's thing. So we use his. My father is going to his office. Next is S-H-E, she. I-S is. R-I-C-H-A, Richa. She is Richa. Next, I, T-A-K-E, take. Dash, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. I take dash pencil. I take, मैंने ली. किसकी pencil? Whose pencil? Richa's pencil. So, the thing, pencil is the thing of female. So, we put her. I take her pencil. Next is K-U-N-A-L, Kunal. I-S is. D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. W-I-T-H, with. H-F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Kunal is dancing with friends. कुणाल अपने दोस्तों के साथ डांस कर रहा है. किसके दोस्तों के साथ? Kunal's friend. Kunal's friend means the male person's thing. So, things can be living, things can be non-living. Here we put his. Understand?
Is it interesting? Do you like? Okay, bye.